In my spare time, I've been building some pretty sweet Notion templates. So I thought, what a great opportunity to look at how easily and quickly we can build an online marketplace using Paperform, somewhere to showcase and sell your digital products. And we'll also look at setting up a subscription service in case any of your customers are eager to get early access to product releases, among other benefits. Let's get straight into it. Welcome to Paperform, Alex here, as always. Now, here we are in my Paperform dashboard. Now, the first step in building your marketplace or online store is to select Create a Form. Then you can opt for using one of these beautifully designed templates, but I'm going to start with a blank canvas. We'll utilize Paperform's intuitive form builder to craft a visually appealing and user-friendly marketplace. But first, let's include something simple like a title. I'm going to go with notable templates. Then we'll also want to include an about section, just including a short paragraph about the store. And we're also going to include a subscription explainer. Now, we'll look at adding a subscription service later on, but we might as well just include this excerpt. Okay, now time to add our products. Use the / command, typing a /, which shows all available fields you can include on your store. Let's add a product field, and it's time to set up our store. So we'll enter the configuration, navigate to the products tab. Now let's add our first product, adding a product image. This is a Notion CRM template I built. So check out the tutorial video linked up here if you want to learn how to build that. Then onto the second, of course, cool. Then the third, including an image for that template as well. And you know what? Let's leave it at 3 for the moment. Now, configure the layout of your products here. There we go. And make sure to navigate to the settings and toggle on can buy more than one product if you're eager to sell more than one. And we're almost done. We just need to connect a payment gateway to our Paperform in order to receive payment for our digital products. Navigate to configure payments, then select manage all payment accounts. You'll then be redirected. So select one of the supported payment gateway options, and I'm going to connect my Stripe account. Then navigate back to our editor and make sure you select the live account. Sweet, let's take a look at our store by selecting the view icon to the top right of our editor. Awesome. Now here is the exciting bonus section for you all. We're going to set up a subscription service on our store in seconds. This is a great way to turn your digital products into a passive income. Now, I use Stripe to create a subscription, so check out the description of this video where we have linked an article explaining that process. Now, I just need to add a subscription field. If we can navigate to the field's configuration by selecting that cogwheel icon to the right, we'll see our Stripe account's available subscriptions. I'll simply just select my template subscription and we're done. Customers will now have the option to make a one-time payment of a Notion template or sign up for our incredibly cheap monthly subscription that gives them access to all templates and future releases. We're almost finished. It's now time to set up an order confirmation email, or emails for that matter. We'll navigate to after submission emails, add a new custom email, and we'll use the process of answer piping to pull in our submission data, ensuring the email is sent to the submitter. This email will be for those who have ordered my Notion CRM template. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the template link for that bad boy. Then I'll paste it into the email, just hyperlinking some text. Now what I'm going to do is configure the email logic. We'll toggle that on and we'll set the rule. And this is so the email is only triggered to send if the submitter purchases the Notion CRM template, and hit add email. We can then duplicate this email and just quickly change the rules so it is sent to those purchasing my travel itinerary template. Of course, needing to change that template URL as well. And there we go. We'll add that email as well and just continue that process for the rest of your digital products. You can also store your files on a file sharing platform like Google Drive and then use Paperform's direct download generator to make the process and delivery of digital goods seamless. So, what are you waiting for? You've learned how. Now go ahead and build your own marketplace to start selling your digital products. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more helpful tips, and as always, have fun building.